Receiving a denial on your U.S. immigration application can be a daunting experience. But don't worry, this video will guide you through the steps to take when faced with this challenge. Unfortunately, denials are not uncommon in the U.S. immigration process. Sometimes, decisions are made that go beyond the legal authority, or the officer simply did not believe the client deserved the discretionary benefit. The first crucial step is to contact your caseworker immediately when you receive the denial letter. They'll need to know the exact date of the decision, any dependents or beneficiaries involved, and your immigration status at the time of filing. Carefully read through the denial decision, then reach out to your caseworker, who will set up a call with you and the attorney supervising your case to discuss your options. One option is to refile. This means restarting the application process. We will need to consolidate all your information, evidence from your initial filing, and any additional evidence collected during the request for evidence stage, and new evidence. This can help you build a stronger case for resubmission. Alternatively, you can appeal the decision or file a motion to reopen or reconsider the denial. Your caseworker will review your situation and advise on the best course of action. If you hold a work permit or travel documents based on the denied petition, they may not be immediately affected. However, it's wise to explore alternative options, as subsequent changes could impact these documents. Remember, contacting your caseworker as soon as possible is vital. They'll guide you through the necessary steps and provide support during this challenging time. While a denial is a setback, it's also a step forward in your journey to lawful status or obtaining a green card in the U.S. We are here to help and guide you through the process, even in difficult times. Together, we'll work towards your final goal, obtaining your approval. For more assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Your path to success starts here.